Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex chart data and analyze market trends to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 26, 2024, we're diving into the world of Intel Corporation stock, to see if we can pinpoint where this stock might be headed next. Let's start with the news. Recent headlines have been buzzing about Intel's potential turnaround, with news of a possible $5 billion investment from Apollo Global Management and Qualcomm's interest in acquiring parts of Intel's business. These developments, coupled with Intel's recent launch of its Xeon 6 processors and Gaudi 3 AI accelerators, have injected a dose of optimism into the market. However, it's important to note that Intel faces stiff competition from NVIDIA and AMD, and the company is still struggling to build up its chip fabrication business. These challenges, coupled with the recent layoffs announced in August, highlight the need for significant investments and a successful turnaround strategy for Intel. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what they tell us about INTC's future. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can see that Intel has been on a roller coaster ride throughout 2024. After a period of significant decline in the early months, the stock has shown signs of recovery in recent weeks. We can identify a clear uptrend starting from around September 16, 2024, following the news of Intel's AI chip deal with Amazon and Qualcomm's buyout interest. This upward trend has been further reinforced by the recent launch of the Xeon 6 and Gaudi 3 products. While the stock has shown a bullish surge, it's important to be cautious. The daily chart reveals a crucial resistance level around $36, a level that has consistently capped the stock's rise. We can also observe a potential support level around $32, where the stock has found support on multiple occasions. The current price action suggests that Intel is attempting to break through the $36 resistance, but the momentum may be waning, as the stock has been trading within a narrow range for the past few days. Looking at the recent candle formations, we see a mix of bullish and bearish signals. The long green candle on September 25th suggests strong buying pressure, while the smaller green candle on September 26th indicates a potential loss of momentum. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the intraday price action. Here, we can see a more volatile price movement compared to the daily chart. The 1-hour chart reveals that Intel has been consolidating around the $36 resistance for the past couple of days. This consolidation suggests that traders are uncertain about the stock's next move. While the stock has attempted to break through the $36 level, the resistance has been strong, as evidenced by the repeated rejection of price spikes. The 1-hour chart also highlights a potential support level around $34.50, which has provided support during previous dips. Let's switch gears to the 15-minute chart to get a granular view of the short-term price action. The 15-minute chart provides valuable insights into the current market sentiment. We can see that Intel has been experiencing increased volatility over the past few hours. The price has been fluctuating between $23.50 and $24, suggesting a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. The recent candle formations on the 15-minute chart indicate a potential shift in the market sentiment. The short green candles and the increasing volume suggest that buying pressure is slowly increasing, but the stock is still struggling to break through the immediate resistance level of $24. This short-term volatility makes it difficult to predict the stock's direction in the coming minutes or hours. However, we can observe a potential support level around $23.50, where the price has found support on multiple occasions. To sum up our analysis, Intel has been on a roller coaster ride throughout 2024, facing challenges from competition and its chip fabrication business. However, recent news and developments, including the potential Apollo investment and the launch of new AI products, have injected a dose of optimism into the market. The daily chart reveals a clear uptrend starting from around September 16th, but also a crucial resistance level around $36. The 1-hour chart shows consolidation around the $36 resistance, indicating trader uncertainty. The 15-minute chart reveals short-term volatility but potential increasing buying pressure. Key price levels to watch include the $36 resistance and the $34.50 support on the 1-hour chart, as well as the $24 resistance and $23.50 support on the 15-minute chart. The stock's future trajectory will likely depend on whether it can successfully break through the $36 resistance level. If Intel manages to break through this resistance, it could signal a strong bullish momentum and lead to a significant price surge. However, if the stock fails to break through the $36 level and instead pulls back, it could indicate a potential loss of momentum and a return to the $34.50 support level. In the short term, the stock's direction will likely be influenced by the short-term volatility and the battle between buyers and sellers. We'll continue to monitor the charts closely and provide updates on any significant developments or shifts in the market sentiment.